Hey, so welcome back. In this video, we're going to be exploring the login process in WordPress, as well as we're going to be navigating through the WordPress dashboard and see how it works. So let's dive in. After successfully installing WordPress, you can click on this view site link to view your default website. So this is how the default website looks like after it's installed, but we're going to change the way it looks throughout this course. Another way to view your website is to use the domain name you used while setting up the website. You can find it over here on local WP. Just type that into your browser and you will be able to view your website. Now let's log into the dashboard or the admin panel of WordPress. That's where you can make changes like adding content and other stuff. You can access this by simply clicking on the WordPress admin or WP admin button at the top right of the local WP app, and the login page shows up. Another way to access this page is to add a /wp-admin after your domain name, such as your domain name is harrysrepair.local, so you need to add harrysrepair.local/wp-admin, and you'll reach the screen as well. So either of these ways, it'll take you to the same screen. But once you're here on the login screen, enter the username and password you set up during the installation process. After that, you'll be redirected to the dashboard screen. Now, this is the default landing page. If it's your first login, you'll receive a welcome message introducing you to WordPress. The screen features various components like upcoming events and the ability to schedule posts. Now, let's explore the essential elements of the dashboard. On the left, you have the sidebar providing quick access to various features of WordPress. Also note, this is the main navigation bar in WordPress, which you can use to access any feature available in WordPress. Additionally, there's an admin bar at the top offering some convenient shortcuts, though it's not frequently used. I mean, at least I've not seen anyone using it in a long time. Now let's explore the updates section, which is the second option in the left sidebar under the dashboard. The update section is your central hub for keeping everything in your WordPress installation up to date. This includes plugins, themes, and the WordPress core itself. Don't worry about this, we'll discuss about plugins, themes, and all other stuff in the later videos, but this is just the place where you get to update them and keep them to the latest version. The point is, whenever there is a new version available for any theme, plugin, or anything, you'll see it here. Updating it is as simple as clicking a button. Regularly updating ensures your site stays secure and benefits from the latest features available. And that will be all about updates. Feel free to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with this layout. And that concludes our walkthrough of the login process and the basics of the WordPress dashboard. Thanks for joining in. Catch you in the next video.